Alright guys, today we're going to be changing the wiper blades on a 2019 Honda Civic. The driver's side is 26 inches long, passenger side is 18 inches long. So first what you want to do is grab the wiper arm, pull it up towards you, and it'll rest in the upright position. And if you look underneath here, you'll see this tab here is lifted up, and that will unlock the wiper arm, and then you can slide it down towards the hood of the car. So I'm going to set the camera down here. So you lift up and push down, and the wiper releases. And that is your pretty standard J-hook type wiper arm. And to install, you take your wiper blade and lift up until you hear the click. And now the wiper is safely secured on the wiper arm. You can set that back down and do the same thing for the other side. That's it. That completes the wiper blade change. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.